Saw has a full charge on it right now. I charged it in that 110 outlet in the Jeep. Found this log up here, and this burned. It's just about a perfect log for doing this. I don't know what this 24 inches in diameter. Saw has a full charge on it right now. I charged it in that 110 outlet in the Jeep. Let's see how many cuts I can make on this. Get started here. Get rid of this first. Just get rid of this. See how many cuts we can make. Dang, we're down to 2 lights. A little better than halfway through. Got it. 1 light left. That's pretty solid though. That's a solid piece of wood. Try cut number 2. My dog ran off. Halfway through. Still 1 light. Okay, I'm getting alarmed. I'm out. But I think I got it. Yeah, we got it. There we go. Oh, man, those are solid. It's kind of... Yeah, we got 2 cuts out of that. I made them thin like that because I'm not taking this wood out of here. And make, at least 2 days of firewood in the stove for the tent. You know, if you cut them to the right length, and then I think you're better off finding some smaller logs though, but that's a decent sized log, 20 inches probably. Let's see, probably a 20-inch log, depending on, go over here, more than 20 inches, I don't know. That's at least 24 maybe, and that is solid wood. We made 2 cuts on it, 1 battery charge. That's solid wood. Okay. Well, that was fun. I'm going to charge this thing up in the Jeep now. See how long it takes. That's dead. That's a 1 dead battery now. This battery didn't really get hot doing those cuts, so that's good. Let's see if we got anything back. Yeah, it's dead as a doornail. Charge it back up. This dang thing is totally discharged. I don't know why I got a green light, but I discharged the hell out of it. Maybe I wasn't supposed to do that. Nothing. Damn. Okay. We'll see what happens. When we got home, we had 2 lights, so this thing's got revived. Didn't have any lights, and if you remember right, this thing was kind of greenish. I gotta look up and see what that means. Looks like we didn't kill the battery. I keep the saw right behind me on the driver's side. I just stuff it right here behind the seat, behind the driver's seat. Let's see how much oil we got left. I about used all the oil. Chain oil's almost gone in this thing. I think I've gone through 3 fully charged batteries.